Today, we are going to be checking in with my mom, Janet, on her 24-hour results using the X39 patch. So if you're joining us, I'm excited to have you here. What's been going on with her? And she doesn't know her values that she gave me before she started using the patch. So this is going to be fun. And she's not going to know them as she tells me her stuff right now. So let's dive into this today. I'm curious, Mom, and you got to be truthful and honest. Have you noticed anything right off the bat with using it?
I did fall asleep really fast last night, but then I did wake up in the middle of the night and it took me a while to go back to sleep. But I did fall asleep much faster than I had been. So
Okay.
whether that was coordinated or not.
So she's using the Alavita patch, which is for
So I've
skin
used
and
it.
for sleep. And then you've worn that probably twice.
Yeah, I've used it 2 nights. So, and then the X39, this is the second day.
Got it. On the health benefits tracker, which if you're watching and you are patching, but you're not using the health benefits tracker, this thing is helpful just to evaluate your progress as you go. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being excellent and 1 being poor, how would you rate your quality of sleep?
So do I have to give you numbers again, or I can't just say it's the same? I
And you
think
got
the
to give me
sleep.
numbers. That's the whole point of this. So on a scale of 1 to 10, 10
Okay,
is
I'll say
excellent.
I'll say 4 for sleep because it was. I think I said 3 yesterday.
You're not supposed to. No, you can't cheat the system. You just got to be honest and give the number that you think.
But the other things, I don't think anything has changed.
Well, but that's the whole thing. You may not remember. So this is the kicker. As we tend to, uh, as symptoms can sometimes improve with something, we don't always notice that it was as bad as it was because it can be so subjective. That's the whole point of doing this. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, your mental clarity, 10 being excellent, 1 being awful.
7.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, energy and vitality.
6.
Stamina.
5.
Recovery time from exercise.
I got to start exercising, so I know, but I'll say 6.
I take it you haven't walked on the treadmill yet.
Not since I talked to you.
Okay. Muscle strength and tone.
4.
Mobility.
6.
Skin appearance.
Well, that's going to be the same. I'm going to
Well,
say 7.
this isn't a matter, like,
I know.
remember that we're doing this, and this is good for anybody watching. So subscribe if you haven't, because you can follow her journey. We did this before you started. We're doing this at the 24-hour mark, and then we'll continue to do it as you go on over the course of time.
Right.
So it's at like 7 days. So 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, all that will continue to do this. So we can just see if things do change. Because I would agree, your skin appearance probably isn't going to change in 24 hours. The patches are not like magical like that. That said, it still is good to get a rating.
Yeah.
Okay. Feelings of well-being.
I feel pretty good.
Good.
8.
Okay. Now, for this section, a lower number is better with these symptoms.
Right.
1 is excellent and 10 is bad. So pain. And we had specifically been thinking about I believe it was your right hip.
Yeah, it's still hurting some.
Okay.
I'll say 3. No, wait. The higher's worse.
Yes. So on a
7.
scale of, okay. Inflammation.
And that's the one I said was hard to know. 6.
Headaches.
1.
Mood swings.
2.
Fine lines and wrinkles.
Okay, better. Well, you wonder how much that has to do with age, but I'll say 6. I'm probably going to be really different.
Age spots.
That one I said was pretty good. 2.
Scars.
8.
And then we talked about
No, wait a minute.
No.
That's right. Yeah, the higher was worse. Yeah.
And then we talked about your hand trimmer.
Mm-hmm. 3.
And hand weakness.
I'll say the same, I guess, 3.
Okay. We'll just keep tracking this. Okay. As you go. That's it.
So if I listen to the video, I can get the answer. So
well, for the people who are watching this, because I edited it back in, I'm gonna show the numbers as I'm writing them.
so I'll have to watch the video.
They'll get to see. You'll have to.
No, but me, I'll have to watch the video.
You'll have to watch the video to see how your numbers compare.
I have an idea they were strange. Oh, well.
But it's honestly, it's probably better to be able to take the quiz or the tracker and not know your previous numbers as you go, because like 2 months down the road, it would be better to just evaluate it with any other
Just
information.
see what I'm
be like,
thinking.
okay, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would I rate this, right?
Yeah.
Now you're being recorded. And he left.